You are about to lose thousands of dollars, all thanks to big changes coming to Google's web browser. Let me explain. In the next few months, Google will begin to warn your online customers that your website is no longer secure. And this means your customers will be reluctant to fill out forms, make a purchase, or submit their personal information. The reason this hurts you is simple. Unless your website has a secure connection, hackers can intercept the personal information being shared. This could lead to credit card fraud, damaging claims, and even identity theft. In the past, this has gone unnoticed, so you may not have seen the effects. Yet now that Google will begin to warn your visitors with a giant red pop-up, your site traffic will plummet as your online customers get scared off by the warnings. Now here's the kicker. A quick check of your local competition reveals that they are using a secure connection. So your customers who were scared off of your website are now doing business with your competition. This isn't some gimmick, fad, or trend. This is a fundamental shift in how customers will be using the internet for commerce. Something you need to adapt to continue business as usual. Google has the stated goal of making the web more secure, and each website that uses a secure connection serves to limit the $150 billion lost each year to cybercrime. If you think it can't happen to you or your customers, think again. Small businesses are the preferred target to many cybercriminals precisely because their online security is often outdated or barely given any attention. Listen, don't become a statistic. If your customer database is hacked, or your website distributes malicious software, or even if one person has their identity stolen and the leak is traced back to your site, your business's reputation will take a massive kick in the face. Imagine the expense of helping your customers buy identity fraud protection or even litigation, all because you didn't offer a basic level of protection to your online customers. The time to act on this is now. Listen, this may sound like doom and gloom. However, you must know that this situation is serious. Google will make these changes and alert your web visitors that your site is not secure. People who are scared off of your site will turn to your competitors, many of which are already using a secure connection. You'll be happy to know that there is an easy fix. All you must do is add a security certificate to your website. Now, most business owners can purchase and add this certificate themselves. Just ask your web host to install an SSL certificate if they offer one. Now, herein lies the rub. What if your host doesn't offer this certificate? How do you know it is working? And how do you ensure your customers are not impacted by the shift in Google's new security program? Check this out. I've been helping small businesses understand and combat online security risks, securing their websites and protecting their customers. I can make sure your site is secure in as little as an afternoon by installing this security for you and for far less than you think. If you are unwilling or incapable of adding this security to your site, I urge you to look below this video now. Click the Yes, Secure My Website button below now. Fill out the short form, and I'll immediately respond with a free, detailed security strategy for protecting your customers and ensuring you never lose to any of Google's new security warnings. Ignore this message at your own peril. If you let Google put up red flags in your website, customers will simply go elsewhere. The result is you putting your competitors' kids through college. Bottom line, you'll be needlessly losing money by ignoring these concerns and failing to act to address your customers' security concerns. Listen, I know you've probably heard every sales pitch under the sun and have been handed countless calls from people promising you the world. I'm not here to promise you the world. However, I can show you the exact strategies for protecting your business and customers against identity fraud and other online crime that results from an unsecured website. So click the Yes, Secure My Website button below now, complete the short form to download this strategy. You will see how easy and cost-effective it is to offer an elevated level of protection on your website. You already have a successful business, and most entrepreneurs would give their left arm to be in your position. However, if you are not protecting your business, you are risking it all. So look below this video. Just take a little action and click the Secure My Website button to see the exact steps you need to take to mitigate this risk Protect your customers and protect your business.